Hello everyone, thank you again. Welcome to another episode of World Learning, where you get like many tutorials on how to use the operator application software. And for today, I shall be taking you guys on how we can use the terminologies under Microsoft Excel, as it is one of the applications softwares in the computers. So Microsoft Excel is just an application software that helps you in dealing in statistics, collection of data. Yeah, like for example, we can use it for creating skill, for creating, pardon me, sorry for that. We can use it for creating results, just doing a lot of stuff. So today I shall be taking you on some of the terminologies used in Excel. The first step is we shall open our Excel, assuming we already have it. If you don't have it, just go and press right click and then you go to new, then you just go and insert it in your folder. So here we are having it, it is here. So first and foremost, I shall be taking you through the features of Microsoft Excel. The one on top, you can see all of them on the toolbar. So we have, firstly we have home, we have files, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data review, and many others. And still, like other application softwares, they still have the bolding, how to emphasize text, bold, italic, underlining, yeah, a lot of stuff. So I shall be telling you, like for example, insert. Insert is one of the features that enables you to insert cells, columns, rows, and many others. Then another one we shall be looking at. It has a lot of stuff. You can even insert tables, you can insert charts, you can insert graphs. Yeah. Then we have also we have page layout. Page layout is just how you want your worksheet to appear. For example, we have our margins. How you want your margins to look like, you can adjust. Yeah, you just go and click there and you have the options. And then we have also orientation. That's how to change page. But let me not dive into details. You just come and find it on your toolbar app. Then we have formulas. Like formulas. In Microsoft Excel, we deal with a lot of mathematical problems and statistics mainly. So we can be using other formulas that are there already. Functions. Yeah, it's all about formulas and functions. So formula and functions. So you just go and click it there. It is there, one of the features on Microsoft Excel. It is just there. And then we have data. Data, you just do a lot of stuff. You change, you filter, you sort. Yeah, all the options are here if you feel like you want to sort that data. Yeah, so that is that. Now we shall be looking at some of the features in Microsoft Excel that are very critical and needs understanding. Like for example, a workbook. Like in a workbook is just a workbook. A workbook is a file that contains one or more than one sheet. It contains more than one sheet. Like for example, here is already our sheet. Now the sheet is in a workbook. Workbook is in Excel. So and we have many worksheets. And now in our workbook there are many worksheets. For example, worksheets. Worksheets is a single page within a workbook where you can type, you can use it for data entry and calculations. Like for example, here is already in our workbook we have our sheet, and that one is the worksheet now. Worksheet 1. If you want to, you can add as many as possible. You just come and click here. That one is the second. You come to the third. Yeah, just depends on the page you're working on, how many sheets you want to work on. So it is that and that. Then we have a cell. A cell is just a rectangular box where data is entered and edited and displayed. So, like for our case, this one is our cell already. This one, all this one, let me just highlight. All this one, the work cells, each, all of them are just work cells. So now, all this one, the work cells, our work cell, cells, we can just come and enter data. Come and type in anything, you enter. Yeah. Microsoft Word, Excel. So we just want to undo the highlighting. Ctrl Y. We are back to our worksheet, sheet 1. So here is our cell. So I hope all my viewers have gotten my point. What we call the difference between a workbook and a worksheet. So, and also a cell. A cell is just these rectangular boxes here where we can enter our data, edit it, enter anything. Like then active cell is the currently selected cell highlighted by a border. This border here, like this border is the one highlighted. So this one is already our active cell, because right now we are ready to enter our data there and it is highlighted. So that one is the active cell, the main active cell, where the data can be here as long as there is the border that it shows that it is active. Now you want to operate, you enter your data in it. So it shows how active it is. Then another step, we also have name box. Name box, this one is just a feature, is a term that is used to make reference, to describe a cell that displays cell reference or name of the active cell. So name box, it just displays the cell reference or the name of the active cell. Cell box. Yeah, you can see them. This all the cell box. Then we have what again? We have also another thing. Another term used is cell reference. Cell reference is just the address of a cell consisting of colon, letter, and row number. Like in Microsoft Excel, it is just cell reference is just the address of a cell consisting of the column and the row number. So this one is our column and this one is our row. Understand? So now our cell reference is the same as cell address. Like for each cell is having its cell reference. Each cell has its cell reference. Like for our case, this one is the first one. That one is our active cell, and our active cell, our cell reference is A1. It's just like a cell address. A1, A from the row, and then 1 from the column. So it is A1. Like for this case, we have G. So it is G10. Yeah? So each and every cell is having its cell reference. Let me hope I'm very clear on that. And then another term is also formula. Formula just equation that calculates a value using numbers, operators, and cell references. Equations. Formula is an equation that calculates a value using numbers, operators, and cell reference. Like for our case, we can start by is equal to, if we want to calculate something, now we are operating on formulas. We are using formula, so we can put like A is equal to A, this one, caps A, because it is supposed to be in capital letter. It's just, you can put like, for example, A2 plus B3 plus plus C3 So this one now becomes our formula. Our formula. We just use the cell reference, the operators, to calculate to solve some problems, mathematical problems. So for our case, we don't have any data. So, it is as simple as that. That's about formula. And then another term also you shall get in Excel. Because in Excel we shall be looking at, it is purposely created for solving mathematical problems, handling statistic, collection of data. So it is more like math involved in handling math in Excel. And so we shall get a lot of formulas. And then we also have functions. Functions. A function is a built formula that performs a specific calculations. There's a big difference between a formula and a function. A formula, there you use operators, you use cell references, and you use numbers to calculate a value. But now, a function is just a built formula that performs a specific function. Just a built formula. The formula just is already existing. For example, I can put like is equal to. We have is equal to, and then if we want to calculate we want to add something, like for the case of formula, we added A1 plus B2, like that. But for our case now, we shall use is equal to sum, but you put it in capital sum, because we want to add. We are dealing with addition, so addition is sum. But for averages, also division, you put average. For subtraction, you put we shall find all the options there. It can display for you. You come and open bracket. Now you come and put the range. Like for example, we are having B2, then 2, B7. Now that one is our formula, because we already have the specific formula. That one is our function. We have a specific formula for calculating totaling the marks, in case we are having marks there. So just come and everything is there. So it is just like that. So that's the difference between formula and function. A formula is where you use the operators, cell reference, and numbers to calculate, to solve problems. But function is just a specific formula now, a specific formula designed for calculating a specific problem. So it is just like that. So those are some of the terminologies we shall be looking at. Then we also have formula bar, the area at the top of the Excel window. Formula bar, the area at the top of the Excel window. We have our formula bar here. You just come and click, and then you select the formula you want to use. If you want to insert functions, you can also insert, because we use it for calculating, it is already having some automatic. For example, we have auto sum is here, where you just come and click sum if you want to deal in addition. You click average if you want to deal in division. You click max, such stuff, a lot. You just come and find a lot of options here. It depends on what you want to do. Now if we have math, trigonometry functions like cos, cosec, aggregate, we have all them there. More functions, even we have them here. Statistical, the types, you can deal in statistical, engineering, cube, all those. We shall have all those here. Cell, formula, is error, all of that you can find it within Excel, which makes your work simple and easy to operate, to enter your data and use Microsoft Excel. So we have other key terminologies. For example, we have rows. This one, they are just rows, series of cells. This one is our row. That one is our row. Now column also. All this one, they are our columns. They are our columns. So we have also range, a group of continuous cells. For example, A1, B5, they're just there. Then also we have another thing is absolute reference. So those are some of the terminologies we use in Excel. When we are dealing in Microsoft Excel, we are solving some problems in Microsoft Excel. But for more info, I can also take you through, but time is against me for now. So thank you for watching me. This one is as simple as that. You just use it like that. Okay? Thank you. Close. Come and save our work. As simple as that. I beg you to stay with me through another tutorial and the next time in the next video. And please subscribe if you like that video. Thank you.